Everyone, welcome to J&J Learning. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are learning about skip counting. You come to the right video to learn skip counting. Today we are learning skip counting. If you know basic addition, skip counting is very easy. Yeah. Here I have a skip counting worksheet with the number line. First we have to do this worksheet with the number line. Let's start. Here I have skip counting of 2's. Here the frog is jumping 2 numbers. So we have to just simply add 2 to the previous number. Here 0 is there. So we have to add 2. 1, 2. It becomes 2. The frog is jumping to the number 2. 3, 4. The frog is jumping to number 4. 5, 6. The frog is jumping to number 6. 7, 8. The frog is jumping to 8. 9, 10. The frog is jumping to 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Skip counting of 5. I'll show you another example for skip counting of 5. We have to add 5 numbers to the previous number. Here 0 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The frog will jump 5 numbers. Now the frog has to jump 5 numbers from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The frog will jump 5 numbers. 15, 20, 25. That's the skip counting of 5. Repeatedly we have to add 5. Skip counting of 10. Here we have to add 10 numbers. Here 0 is there. The frog has to jump to 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The frog jumps 10 numbers. All the way to 10. Now let's add 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The frog has to jump a very long way to reach the 10th. 15, 25. In skip counting, it's simple. It's nothing but repeated addition. You have to add the same number repeatedly. If it's skip counting of 3, then you have to add 3 multiple times. Skip counting of 4 means you have to add 4 every time. Let's go to another worksheet. Here we have to add 2 to the numbers and fill in the circles. Here we have to add 2 to 0. It becomes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here we have to add 2. In the starting number 4 is there. So we have to add 2 to 4. It becomes 6. Next 8. 10 is already written for you over here. 12, 14, 16. Here we have 1. We have to add 2 to 1. It becomes 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Go. Here skip counting of 5 is there. We have to add 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Connect the skip counting of 2's. Here we have to connect the skip counting of 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. There. Write the missing numbers of skip counting of 2's. Here we are going to master the skip counting of 2's. We have to write all the way until 70. Let's start. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Write the skip counting of the number given. Here we have to write skip counting of 2. Let's start. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Skip counting of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The skip counting of 10's. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Skip counting of 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That's all. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.